In 1943, an unprecedented threat loomed over the world, the secret nuclear program of Nazi Germany. Their objective, to develop the atomic bomb. For this devastating weapon, the Nazis needed a critical component, heavy water, D2O. It was an essential moderator for their experimental reactors. The only large-scale heavy water production plant in Europe was in Vemork, Norway. An isolated industrial complex, it became a key piece in the German war effort. Since 1940, Norway had been under Nazi control. The Vemork plant, with its vital production, passed directly into the hands of Hitler's nuclear ambitions. The Allies, led by Churchill, understood the immense danger. A Nazi atomic bomb could change the course of the war. The destruction of Vemork was an absolute priority. Early operations to destroy Vemork tragically failed. Bombings were not precise enough. A different, riskier approach was needed. The solution came from the courageous Norwegian resistance. An elite group of commandos, meticulously selected and trained by the British volunteered for the mission. Operation Gunnerside was born. Its mission, to infiltrate, destroy heavy water production, and escape. All without causing civilian casualties that could alert the Germans. 6 men were chosen for this almost suicidal mission. Led by Lieutenant Joachim Ronneberg, their courage and determination were their greatest weapons. February 1943. Conditions were hellish, waist-deep snow, sub-zero temperatures, and an unforgiving mountainous terrain. The journey to Vemork was a test of survival. After days of marching, the team reached the gorge. They had to descend hundreds of meters down an ice-covered cliff to cross a frozen river, avoiding enemy patrols. Despite German vigilance, the commandos managed to access the plant's perimeter. They moved like shadows, invisible in the darkness of the Norwegian night. Once inside, the objective was clear: the high-concentration room, where the precious heavy water was produced. Every second was critical to avoid detection. With military precision, the commandos placed the small explosive charges on the electrolyzers. Their experience and composure guaranteed the effectiveness of the sabotage. A controlled detonation, barely a muffled bang for the vast complex. But the impact was devastating. The key machinery was rendered inoperative. The commandos retreated with the same stealthy speed. Not a single shot fired, not a single Allied casualty. The mission had been a triumph of planning and execution. Vemork's essential equipment was completely destroyed. Heavy water production ceased, dealing a massive blow to the Nazi nuclear program. This audacious action delayed Germany for years in its attempt to develop the bomb. Crucial time that the Allies used to turn the tide of the war. The Nazis tried to rebuild the plant, desperate to regain production. But the Allies would give them no respite. Months later, in 1944, the hydro ferry was sunk, taking with it the last shipments of Nazi heavy water. It was the final blow to their atomic ambitions. Operation Gunnerside is a testament to courage and sacrifice. Few knew of its true impact until after the war, but its audacity is undeniable. Many historians agree that this sabotage may have halted the development of Nazi nuclear weapons, saving countless lives and altering the outcome of World War II. This incredible story has captivated audiences in films like The Heroes of Telemark, 1965, and the acclaimed Norwegian miniseries The Heavy Water War, 2015. Today, the Vemork plant stands as a museum, a silent reminder of one of the most important sabotage operations in history. A tribute to the heroes of the Norwegian resistance.